Good day, everyone. My name is Cars Andre Paguito from Training Animation Center. I am your accredited test assessor for Animation 2D Digital NC3. Today, I will guide you through the entire assessment process for the unit produce, cleaned up, and in-between drawings. So we also invited observers from TESDA and the schools, but don't worry, they are only observers and the process, not as to assess you, and that's my job. So before we begin, I will now check your attendance. And simulan natin na tatawagin ko yung pangalan niyo isa-isa. And pag narinig niyo yung pangalan niyo, pakibigay yung admission slip and sign the attendance sheet. So, thank you. So, let's go Christine Doria. Please sign. Alright, thank you. So next is Mr. Mariano Rodwell. Okay, thank you. Let me just leave. Okay naman yung firma niya, nagmamatch naman. So, meron din ako dito yung self-assessment guides na sinagutan nyo, no? And alam ko naman na alam nyo na rin yun kung ano yun, di ba? Meaning, alam nyo na yung competencies na kailangan for this qualification, no? Ano rin yung qualification natin is the produce, cleaned up, and in-between drawings. So today, ang assessment nyo ay for Animation 2D Digital NC3. And meron tayong mga ilan core competency. Ito yung mga produce key drawings, produce cleaned up and in-between drawings, and use digital software, and create 2D animation. But for now, yung unit competency na kapokusan tayo is yung produce, cleaned up, and in-between drawings. So, before we proceed, may ask if meron dito student na nahihirapan sa English or need ng Tagalog explanation, taasan ng kamay. Anyone? So, okay. Meron tayo. So, tatry natin. So, i-check ko for today, produce, cleaned up, and in-between drawings is yung limits ng line works. Consistency sa model sheet, accuracy ng details, tama bang time and spacing ng worksheet nyo sa in-between, and kung marunong mag-assemble at i-preview ng maayos yung animation output. So, before we proceed, may I ask, do you have any questions? Trainers? None? Kausapin nyo naman ako. None? Do you have any question? None. Yes. Okay, thank you. Now, I give your Competency Assessment Agreement or CAA. Okay. Let me check the CAA. Pakibasa na maigi and tapos sagutan, no? And bibigyan mo kayo ng 3 minutes to answer this. Pagkatapos pakiabot ulit sa akin. Pass. Yung CAA na yan yung proof na naintindihan yung buong assessment process natin for today, no? Sige lang, sagutan nyo. Take your time. Take your time. No pressure. Done, Mr. Mariano. Done, sir. Okay. Thank you. So, okay. So let's move on to our laboratory. So follow me. Here's. So this is your laboratory room. With the laboratory, institutional assessment, quality control area, practical work area. So please be seated. So inside this room, each of you will have access to the papers and pencil. So this is the reference. This is the character design. I know kilala niyo naman sila. Sino nakakilala dito sa character na to? Yes, alam mo na. No? So ito ay from the movie na Soul, no? Ito yung bida dito. Ito yung character design na Soul version niya. Diba? So dito nakalagay clean up drawings number 1. So yan yung task natin ngayon. So ang main task is i-clean up ang binigay na reference, no? Gagawa kayo ng version niya na malinis and kailangan hindi madumi yung line and kailangan consistent yung line sa character and of course kailangan kamukha, di ba? Ayun yung task nyo ngayon in 2 hours. So kaya naman ba, trainers? Good. So our rules sa ating laboratory is no talking, no coaching, no browsing ng kung ano, no? And you can ask me before mag-start yung timer ko. Okay? So, time limit ulit, 2 hours. Kung may kailangan kayong itanong or explanation pa, hindi ba nalilinawan sa gagawin natin, feel free to ask. Okay? Okay? Yes? Okay. So, now, we will proceed sa assessment. Right now. So, kuha na kayo ng paper. Additionally, if nagkamali man, pwede kayo kumuha ng paper, no pressure, basta galingan nyo. Okay? So, your time starts now. Okay? So, always check the proportion, the shading. Don't forget the shading. One hour and 30 minutes. Go, take your time. Pagbalik ko, and tapos na tayo. Okay. Don't forget to write your name, reference number, and your signature. Also the date. No coaching, no talking. That's 30 minutes. Don't forget to add the name of the character. In the date. Okay, last 1 minute. Last 30 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time's up. Pass your paper. Okay? Okay? So, tapos na ang ating assessment. Congratulations everyone, no? Palakpakan tayo. So, now, let's move on to the feedback area para ma-review natin yung ginawa ng assessment and result. really soon. Let's go. Follow me. So, the first trainers, Mr. Rodwen Mariano. So, good news, you are competent. Congratulations. So, ang strength mo malinis and consistent yung character design and line works. Accurate yung proportion ng characters based sa reference. And smooth and maayos yung shading. And that's all. Please sign your rating sheet to confirm your acceptance. And one. And you can claim your national certificate sa TESDA provincial office kung saan ka nakalista. Also, please sign your cards and take your copy. So may I call Mr. Mariano to congratulate you? Come here. So congratulations, Mr. Mariano, you are now competent. Congratulations. Please be seated again. So let's move on to Miss Christine Doria. Sa ngayon, you are not yet competent. Okay? But don't worry. Siguro may kulong lang talaga dito sa gawa mo. Which is napansin ko is yung line quality, the proportion, and how siya nagmamatch sa reference image. But you can apply the reassessment, no? Yung part lang na hindi mo na-meet. Okay? Hindi porket na not yet competent, uulit ka na back to zero. Doon lang sa mga part na hindi mo kayang gawin. Okay? So, ang need mo improve is yung line quality, proportion, and the shading. No? Una ka sa shading. And yeah. But, congratulations pa rin kay Miss Doria. Palakpakan naman natin si Miss Doria. So, for the reassessment, Miss Doria, no? Pwede kang bumalik after 1 month. Or kapag confident ka na, anytime makapag-practice ka na, yung mga kailangan mo, pwede ka ulit mag-assessment dito sa aming TESDA. So, I will now finalize your documents, complete the RWACs, to submit everything that you have or anything that you done in our assessment training and submit it to Assessment Center Manager. So, and that wraps everyone. Our assessment for Animation 2D Digital NC3 under the unit Produce, Clean Up, and In Between Drawings. Thank you everyone for your cooperation and attendance this session. Congrats sa mga competent, and for Miss Christine Doria, keep practicing and congratulations pa rin. So have a good day everyone. Thank you.